Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the area closely. Look for wetness, a foul smell, and redness because those signal active infection. Once you identify the spot, gently clip matted hair to expose the lesion. Do not shave aggressively. You can nick skin. Next, cleanse with a mild, dog-safe shampoo or antiseptic rinse to remove debris and bacteria. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Make sure to keep the dog calm while you work. A stressed dog licks more and prolongs the problem. Once the area is clean and dry, apply a vet-approved topical. This treats bacteria and reduces inflammation, which speeds healing. Use sterile gauze for application. Press gently so medication reaches the skin. If the spot sits in a fold, keep the area separated and dry. Use absorbent padding between folds to stop friction. Make sure to treat fleas and check diet for triggers, because hot spots often stem from underlying irritation. Then secure a cone or snug cover. You finish by monitoring progress every day. Healing looks like reduced redness, no new wetness, and the dog licking less. Maintain prevention. Keep fur trimmed in prone zones, dry the skin after swimming or baths, and run a flea control program. Those steps cut recurrence. Once healed, introduce weekly checks and adjust diet or allergy management if needed. If the hot spot grows, smells worse, or fails to improve in 48 to 72 hours, contact your veterinarian for systemic antibiotics or further testing. Don't wait and let infection deepen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.